Twyla from My Bilingual Life. This last week in our Spanish classes on OutSchool, we've been talking about goals and New Year's resolutions. So I thought this would be a great time to post the lesson about goals and New Year's resolutions here on YouTube. Now, this lesson is not restricted just to New Year's time. I hope this is something that you can use all year round. But this is something we've been focusing in class this week. So today we're going to work on words that have to do with goals. What actually brought our attention to this topic is New Year's resolutions. At the beginning of the year, many people make New Year's resolutions or goals for things that they want to achieve in the year. New Year's resolutions in Spanish are Propósitos del Año Nuevo. Propósitos del Año Nuevo. Propósitos del Año Nuevo. Goals are another way to say New Year's resolutions. I like to think of them as goals instead of resolutions. In Spanish, goals are metas. 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 If you're interested, I do have a video about setting goals for your language learning. You can always check it out. I'll try and put the link right here. If not, it will be in the description. With our goals, we want to have success. In Spanish, success is éxito. Éxito. To achieve, we talk about achieving our goals. In Spanish, achieve is lograr. Lograr. To achieve your goal is lograr tu meta. Lograr tu meta. Habits. Some of our resolutions have to do with habits that we want to change or habits that we want to form. Habits in Spanish are hábitos. Remember, the H is silent in Spanish. Hábitos. So these are getting into some of the resolutions that either my students have heard of or some of the resolutions that they made. Do more exercise. Hacer más ejercicio. Hacer más ejercicio. Eat healthier. Comer más saludable. Comer más saludable. Lose weight. Bajar peso. Bajar peso. In Spanish, you actually say that you want your weight to go down. Bajar means to go down. It comes to be the same as losing weight. Bajar peso. Get good grades. One way of saying it is sacar buenas notas. Sacar buenas notas. But I challenge my students to learn the other words for grades. Sacar buenas calificaciones. Sacar buenas calificaciones. This is a longer word and it's a little hard to pronounce, but you can try it. Sacar buenas calificaciones. But in most places, sacar buenas notas is the same thing. Work more. Trabajar más. Trabajar más. And that could be working more at your job, or it could be working more at school or at home. This is just working more. Travel more. We all agreed that this year we would like to travel more, especially after going through the coronavirus this last year. Viajar más. Viajar más. Organize myself better. You could also say be more organized, but in Spanish, you would say it as organize myself better. Organizarme mejor. Organizarme mejor. If you notice, this uses a reflexive form of the verb. Organizarme mejor. Be kinder. I really like this one. Ser más amable. Ser más amable. Spend less time with devices. I do want you to know that one of my 12-year-old students came up with this one. Spend less time with devices. Pasar menos tiempo con aparatos. Pasar menos tiempo con aparatos. Keep my room clean. One way of saying this is mantener mi habitación limpio. Mantener mi habitación limpio. You can also say mantener mi cuarto limpio. Mantener mi cuarto limpio. Read more. Leer más. Leer más. Spend more time with my family. Pasar más tiempo con mi familia. Pasar más tiempo con mi familia. So a grammar tip I want to mention. Más usually means more. But we can also use it for the English comparison words that end in an ER. For example, we had kinder. In Spanish, you would say más amable. Cleaner would be más limpio. Taller would be más alto. So in Spanish, you don't just add an ending to the word like we do in English. We add the ER. In Spanish, you actually add más at the beginning of the word. Now let's try some sentences. No me gusta hacer propósitos del año nuevo. No me gusta hacer propósitos del año nuevo. Did you figure out what that means in English? I don't like to make New Year's resolutions. No me gusta hacer propósitos del año nuevo. Yo hago metas cada mes y cada semana. Yo hago metas cada mes y cada semana. In English, that would be I make goals every month and every week. Yo hago metas cada mes y cada semana. Tengo unas metas grandes, pero me enfoco en los pasos necesarios para lograrlas. That's a big sentence. Tengo unas metas grandes, pero me enfoco en los pasos necesarios para lograrlas. So in English, that would be, I have some big goals, but I focus on the steps necessary to achieve them. Tengo unas metas grandes, pero me enfoco en los pasos necesarios para lograrlas. Trabajo en mis metas paso por paso. Trabajo en mis metas paso por paso. I work on my goals step by step. Trabajo en mis metas paso por paso. Tengo confianza que con el tiempo las lograré. Tengo confianza que con el tiempo las lograré. I have confidence that with time I will achieve them. Tengo confianza que con el tiempo las lograré. Okay, let's put it all together. No me gusta hacer propósitos del año nuevo. Yo hago metas cada mes y cada semana. Tengo unas metas grandes, pero me enfoco en los pasos necesarios para lograrlas. Trabajo en mis metas paso por paso. Tengo confianza que con el tiempo las lograré. So what are some of your goals? They can be for learning Spanish or they can be for anything. please put them down in your comments. And if there's something I can do to help you, I'd love to help you reach your goals. One of my goals is to get to 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Also, check out my webpage. I have a PDF file of all of the words that we learned today and the reading comprehension part. This is a great practice. I suggest you start a notebook with these notes. I hope this helps, and please come back for another Spanish lesson. Espero saber cuáles son tus metas. Make sure to comment below. Nos vemos. Adiós.